What is up, you guys? It's Monday today. I just got done with my vlog uploading and now I am going to put on a face mask. I know it's quite late to put on a face mask, but I'm like breaking out because of periods, I think. So thought I should just take care of my skin a little bit. I'm using this one by the way today. It's from Aryam. It's by Shaurya, and she sent it to me. So this is 100% organic. It has a very strong smell of sandalwood, and I just hope I don't sneeze a lot because of that. This is not paid by the way, guys. I'm just doing it because I had this face mask and I am trying to apply one face mask every week. It is like in the powder form, so you have to mix it with water or rose water. I'm mixing it with water right now, and this is what the paste looks like. I'm using a brush. Yeah, I don't want to get my nails dirty, so I will just apply this. It's so good. Okay. Yes. Also, I know some guys also watches my vlogs. So if you think skincare is only for girls, then I'm sorry. I feel bad for you. God has given you skin as well, and you also need to kind of take care of it. So start doing it right now. I just got done with my face mask and विक्स लगाने के बाद जो जलन होती है ना नाक में, वो वैसी ही जलन मेरे पूरे फेस में हो रही है अभी. होपफुली इट्स डूइंग इट्स मैजिक. आई होप आई डोंट ब्रेक आउट आफ्टर दिस. आई लुक लाइक, okay, let's not describe it. Meanwhile, I'll just have some protein. This is sprouts with moong sprouts. Sorry, sprouted moong with lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. Yum. That was so refreshing. I feel so fresh right now. This is so much needed after a really tiring day. Like, not exactly tiring, but I feel like I'm more tan now. Is it? My skin feels a lot clean now. See, the it's a task cleaning this. My whole white basin was brown. So now I'll just wash my face properly, apply moisturizer, and then just go on with the day. And sneeze count was only 2 so far. Thursday today, it was early. I didn't play as usual. Like you can see, my skin is all clear. So we are right now going out to have dinner with my family because my maid is not coming, so we just decided to like eat outside. So I'll just take you guys along with me. Also, I look so shiny and glowy. It's because of my moisturizer. I'm planning to post a skincare video soon. Let's go have some food. And just, I need some dessert desperately. So. Bata right now and I'm so surprised by their collection. Look at this. Oh my god. Also this one is my favorite. This is a 4000. Comes in 3 colors. Love it. So, another favorite. This one. And this one is also my favorite. Yeah. Oh, right there. You can see that. Yeah. There's amazing collection. These are one of my favorite. It's so light in weight, but they don't have the color. I love this color as well. It's like mint grey, very me. And this one, purple mint. Nice collection. Bata, I'm surprised. Also this, oh my god, it's like perfect office wear. This is not sponsored, guys. I'm honestly surprised by their collection. Love it. Oh my god, love it. This one is for 800. This one is for 1000. I mean, not bad at all. Look at this. Wow. It's Saturday today, and I suddenly remembered a lot of you told me that you would like to see me get ready and all of that in my vlogs. So here it is. I am getting ready for an event today, which is happening in Mehboob Studio, Bandra. It's Bhatt's concert kind of. So my base makeup is done. I'm just applying my eyeliner and everything else. Also, wait. I feel like I'm applying makeup after really long, so I'm just feeling a little lost because of that. Okay, so you see all these parcels. There are a lot of them here. They were supposed to be for my video, which was supposed to go on Friday, that is yesterday, but it didn't happen because I was the last delivery was supposed to come on Thursday. But because it was Holi, there was no delivery on that day, so I got the delivery late. I got one piece of clothing item today, so I'm really upset about it. I have Amazon Prime, so you know, I got like 5 pieces of clothing item the next day itself. But I was waiting for the rest, and that's why. That's why I couldn't upload a video yesterday. Such batao, I'm in like no mood to go today. Oh my god, my blush is broken. Wow, I just realized this. Look at this. Also, if you're wondering what is my phone doing, I was just watching a video, but I stopped it because I had to vlog. So yeah. Didn't go on my face at all. ये ना ज़्यादा वेस्ट होता है यूज होने से. Okay, I just tasted some of it. That's amazing. So I'm ready, really. I am not sure if I'll go with this lipstick option, but I just applied it right now to see how it goes. I had like this option, shorts, black tank, and this jacket or this jacket. I just wanted to wear this jacket because I have it since a year now and I haven't worn it out because it's too bright and eye-catching. So whenever there's like this funky parties or something, then only I can wear it. Other option was this dress with this, but dresses aren't really comfortable for concerts. So I thought actually this looks better, but I'll save this outfit for some other thing event. Right now we'll just go like this because I wanna be free. I am seriously thinking of applying this lip color and going today. I think it looks good, and yeah, it's just so different. Let me just first start straightening this. So I think I'll you know, title this vlog as like get ready with me for a concert, but I didn't show like actually me totally like from top to bottom getting ready and all. So yeah, but I already have my base makeups video on my base makeup, so that's why I think, like, you know, instead of repeating the same thing again and again, I should just try out something new every now and then. That's just me. So yeah, anyway, let's go. I'm so pumped. I'll just go ahead and book the cab first. Oh, I also need socks. Is it just me? I just keep losing socks like bobby pins. So first I'll find some socks for me.
Just then.
Found it. Two which are like matching or baby brothers or something. And then I'll just go ahead and book the cab now. I'll see you in the cab. Bye.
Can't wait to get out.
Love my makeup. I am loving the highlighter as well. So guys, I am here. Oh my god, I look so great. Yo.
Hey guys!
Wait. My hand is stuck. She is Uni.
Hi guys! Hi!
And she manages me basically.
Yeah.
So you have to get in touch with her if you
Yes,
want to collab
please
with
do.
me. Yeah. And we are gonna have fun. Oh, by the way, you must have seen her in one of my videos. Comment down below and let
Yes,
everyone
guys.
know what
Thank
video
you for
was that.
making me famous, Dhwani.
Hi guys, okay, it's Sunday today and I'm just chilling today because of yesterday I was feeling really sick in the morning, so I didn't do anything. Today the buttocks event is happening again, but I'm not going there because I cannot fall sick. So all that cab AC and everything, it kind of like, yeah, it just looks like a small thing, but it does affect me a little bit when I'm like at my worst. So I was at my worst the entire week last week, so that's why I am not going today. I'm just gonna chill at home and just have a nice day, play PUBG, watch some Netflix or Amazon Prime, some series, and just chill. So I just thought I'll just end the vlog today. We have done enough this week. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've been seeing like 60% of the people who are watching me aren't my subscribers. So just take button hai, hit kar do, kuch nahi jayega. Just do it. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye!